Well, here's the airbag system. It's all wired up now. There's a digital controller up there. All sensors there. Another sensor there. Plugs for all the solenoids. That runs some of it. So yeah, it's all nice. All that shit there is just RCA cables for the subs. So, you got nothing to do with that. But yeah, there's the air system. Nice. With this digital box, it should be under the dash. And then it should connect to a digital display. And the wire is only 2 foot long. So I spliced it into this wire here, which is irrigation wire. And then ran that all the way up to the front of the car. So as you can see, there's the join. 5-wire join, all nicely done. So there's one up at the front too. So that all works nicely now, and everything's up at the boot. It all runs off this relay and that fuse. And then these two run the compressors. So, nice. This is where it plugs into the display. There's the join again. And then it goes off into the wires. And there's 2 spare here for anything else it needs later on. Another one's used so it dims the display, and another one's used for handbrake. So that worked out very well. Well, here we go. Most things are together. It's ready to go off to the trimmers now for interior. But hey, kind of all works. Well, not kind of, it does. So if I pull that one out, one click, that turns on the accessories, which the radio will work and the tank system works. And here's the tank system up there. Now if I push this magic button, hang on, I've got to try and do this one-handed. So hold that down to go on the manual. If I push this button. Oh yeah, I'm going to manual straight off. Now the compressor start. And there you go. So I can make the car go up and down and do whatever I want with that. So that's all good. Turn that off though, you don't want to kill the battery. One more click. Ignition comes on. Turn that on. Parkers. It's got a dodgy globe behind there, but who cares? So that all works. All the gauges are working. Push this button. Well, hang on. Put it into a gear. Look, you can't start it. Yay. Neutral. A gear again. So that's all safety. Now it's running. The engine light goes out. Alternator working, everything good, oil pressure, volts, needs fuel. So yeah, got indicators, gas pedal. Oh, it's stalled. The petrol's stale as balls in this thing. Up a bit. Right, well these are the heater controls. Vantage, aircon, hot, which vent you go to. All works nicely. Well, here's the overkill headlight wiring. So that's for the low high beam. That's for the upper high low beam. And that's for the indicator and parker, because they're the Americana style lights. So for some reason they've got 2 H4s in there, but oh well. I only use the top one for low and both for high, and the bottom one's got the parker in it. And there's the indicator. Well, they work nicely. Well, here's the level controller thingy, what's it? So as you see, I've got it set on medium at the moment, so the car's sitting up. I set it to low and adjust all the pressures until the car's on low, or I can set it to high adjust all the pressures until the car gets perfect. There we go. I can do it all manually. So, I can drop the front, raise the front, drop the back, raise the back. Now if I turn the lights off, the display gets brighter. I can do each one individually. I have the car just leaning on an angle. And that's what happens when you let all the pressure out of one side. That's just weird. Very low. Very, very low.